Magandang umaga! What are you doing in my bed?
My bed.
Grabe, sana all naka-LB si Madam Bertude. Pero buslot.
No, don't post that.
No, I have to edit it. Hello, Gabriel. Gabriel.
Hello.
Ah. That's my amo. My amo is palaging nasa spot niya, guys. Yan talaga ang favorite spot niya. Anyway, so sa hindi nakakaalam, yes, before nagbebenta ako ng dati yun, guys. Hello! Say hi to my vlog.
She was charged.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Hi, blog.
What? What?
Remember that one that did the Drano?
Yeah?
You know, pour it in.
So before kasi nagbebenta talaga ako ng mga Thailand clothes, nagbebenta ako ng mga dresses, nagbebenta ako ng pants, mga different kinds of clothes talaga na mapagkakakitaan. So ganyan talaga ako, guys. You know, so nung dumating ako dito sa Amerika, talagang it was boring. Alam niyo na kasi hindi naman kasi same ito sa Pilipinas na talagang paglabas mo, meron ka nakachismisan, ganon. Tapos, maganda puntahan ng palengke kasi maraming mga street foods, ganon, mga gulay dyan. Iba talaga dito. Siguro malalaman lang ninyo yan when you guys already, pag nandito na kayo ba. So, ang nangyari, gusto kong mawala yung board ko. So, busy-busyhan ang peg ko. Kaya, I did look up, nag-google ako ng mga supplier, ganito, ganyan. So, meron naman kakilala ko na legit talaga. So, kaya nag-start talaga ako ng negosyo before. And nag-stop lang ako kasi, guys, di ba nag-aalahas din ako kung malalaman ninyo, nag-aalahas din ako. So, parang masyadong mahirap na for me dahil may mga alahas pa. And most of the time talaga, weekly talaga ako nagla-live. Hindi yung everyday kasi weekly para bonggang live talaga. So, hindi na kaya ng katawan at talaga mahirap kasi syempre, kailangan mo pang alagaan ng lahat and then yung negosyo mo pa. But anyway, all goods naman talaga. Talaga maganda ang kitaan sa online selling. Time check, guys. It's 2:14 na ng tanghali, so hapon or mag-ano na pala ako, magsabaw ako dahil nagto pala ako ng pompano. Tapos linisan lang yan, nagtanggalan ng mga hasang-hasang, guys ba. Hasang-hasang. No! Let me show me. Oh my God, guys! Yeah.
I woke up, I was like, are you okay, baby?
Oh my God, guys, that's all. Let me see. I want to see though, because I really don't think I snore, honey. Trust me.
Can I have cookies?
Go ahead.
Well, I didn't.
How much can I have?
I didn't want. I was
Three
trying
is
to
fine.
not put the light because I was.
Nag-away na naman tong dalawa, guys. Mga ano
But
talaga to
I
sila.
couldn't believe, like, I was like, hey,
Is
woke me
that?
up.
Oh my God, babe.
And then I thought, oh, are you okay? And then I hear you. You're like, oh, I said, oh, she's. So I tried to do the video so I can hear you snore, but the light came on because it was pitch dark.
Dad, that's so creepy.
Oh my God.
And so what I tried was on.
Guys, grabe. Hindi ko talaga alam.
Listen. Oh wait.
Are you sure that's not Gabriel?
Guys, trust me. Oh my
Then
God.
he stopped once I like turned the light on.
Oh my God, that's shocking for me. Shocking. I was so shocked that my husband did that. But anyway,
You were loud. I was like, holy.
but hon, I did not even know, guys, that I did really snore though. He'd been telling me many times, but I thought I don't snore.
You snore loud.
You snore very loud.
Oh my God. Here, one more. Listen. Oh, it's off. One more.
stopped when I turned the light on because of the thing, though.
Really? I don't think
Because
so.
I said, honey, you alright? So then I turned on the thing. And then
Are you sure that's me? How come I'm still moving?
that was you. All you.
Honey, that's Kent.
That ain't Kent.
Cat farts in his sleep. He doesn't snore in his sleep.
Guys, I did not expect that I did really
Mom,
snore.
like the other day when you were taking a nap with Gabriel in Gabriel's bed, we were like,
Oh my God, guys. Good thing there's evidence though. Now I know that I snore. Loud. Slice na natin ang ating cabbage, guys. Kasi para ready na ito mamaya. Cabbage lang. Wala namang iba eh. Ay, meron palang ano. Lagyan pala natin ng spinach. Bumili pala ako ng spinach, guys. Gasa natin.
A few moments later.
Mga loves, update po sa ating sabaw na niluluto. Ayan na po siya. Grabe na po yung kulo-kulo niya, mga guys. Ayan. Ayan. Dyan. Kung paano po ito na isda, sabaw ko lang. Ayan. Tapos lagay na natin yung cabbage, maya konti, okay? Hinahanap ko yung ano ko ba, yung tinula ko good na. Kuan mga loves, kay kahit pa man hindi siya tinula, pwede naman siguro to ilagay sa ano no? Ano sa tingin nyo? Kasi, this is the candy right here. I put it away. Yeah, but you can't have so much because it's not really good for our teeth. Ito mga loves, mag-magic sarap na lang pala tayo. Shout out sa Magic Sarap. Baka pwede po ninyo akong sponsoran. Charot. Feeling sikat. Sana all. Lagyan natin to. Pero mamaya na konti mga loves, ilagay muna natin yung ating lagay muna natin ang ating cabbage. Kailangan ko talaga mag-aral ng culinary. Culinary. Nag-uusok na po. Nag-uusok ng dibdib. Dahil gusto... aray, ang init. Aray, kiat pa more, guys. Mainit, guys. In fairness, wala kasing ano eh. Lagot. Sakit nung kaayo akong kamot. Ano ba yun? Napakaliwanag talaga ba? Nakaka-earnest. Anyway, guys. Yan na. Ilagay na po natin ang ating gulay. Cabbage. Yan. Eto na ang ating niluluto. Tandang. Wala pa pala si Kuya, guys, kasi lagyan natin ng pinamagic ba? Pinamagic na seasoning ba? Ay, syempre, pampamagic goodness ya, guys. Yan. So, dahil nalagyan na natin ng magic, syempre yung lasa nito, mamagic na. Guys, it's getting big, huh? You better lose weight. Huwag sure.
Wala belly fat.
Yeah. Coffee tayo, guys. So, kumain na pala ako. Nagkain na ako ng dinner ko, guys. Kasi right now, time check, it's already, naantok ako. Time check, it's already like, 5. So, kumain na ako para mamaya, hindi na ako kakain, guys. Kunin natin to Ito natin tong chicken dahil gusto ni asawa salmon pala na chicken. Ganito ka-special yung salmon ni asawa, guys. Naka-packaging talaga. At saka, ano talaga yan siya na salmon. Kasi very conscious kasi yan siya sa kanyang health. Which is really good naman talaga dahil syempre, kapag may edad na kasi, Kailangan mas alagaan natin ang ating sarili. Hi.
Hi.
Look at her pajama. Silky, silky. Show them. Nice weather sa labas, guys. Plano namin ni asawa kanina na linis, magtanggal ng weeds. Kasi grabe yung weeds sa likod namin, guys. As in talaga. Mula nang grabe ang ulan doon banda, guys. Grabe, pati doon, oh. Yan pa. Especially sa gilid ng bahay namin. Oh my God. Number 2, guys. Ay, ang react na po. Ang ilad na po siguro ni akong mama ba?
Your favorite color? Are you sure?
Yeah, and the other one.
I can't play it.
I like your hair.
Thanks, I did it myself.
I know, guys. Yes, you heard that. She did it by herself. Maybe next time she will do hair tutorial, guys. Sana all. Yes, guys. So, mag-relax na lang kami kasi nakakain na po ang lahat. Full na ang all. Andiyan si Kuya sa kanyang kwarto. Nag-iisa. Char. Guys, time check. It's 8:04 na ng gabi. Tapos, nandito pa rin ako sa higaan ni... Ay! Oh my God! Kainis. Nahulog pa talaga sa ilalim. Magchichika na sana ako. Nahulog. Ay, salamat. Ay, salamat. Anyway, guys. So, it's already 8:06. Diba? 8:06 yung sinabi ko. Mamaya ko na yan kunin. Nandito pa rin ako sa higaan ni Gabriel at andun pa rin yung aking mag-ama. Kasi, mas yung higaan niya dito, guys. Alam niyo ba itong pillow na ito, guys? Super old na nito, guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, matagal na daw talaga to. Kaya we still don't get rid of it. Kasi nga, siguro merong, sentimental value. Baka bigay pa to ng kanyang ex. Huwag magkakamali. Kung malaman ko lang, kakainin ko talaga tong una na to. Char! Anyway, guys, yan lang muna for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, guys. Like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. See you tomorrow. Or see you next time.